Peace, love, and prosperity, man. We cooking up with motherfucking wild man motherfucking Indian tribe. You heard me? We ain't playing copper color shit. We ain't playing. But let's dive deep into the etymology and to the origin of words. Let's dive deep. So this first class and this first lesson gonna be about you're not a Negro and you're not a slave. And we're not even gonna type in a search Negro or slave today, but we're gonna tap on aboriginal. You feel me? And ab don't mean present or absent from something. But we know we are the originals, and the aboriginals is your Australians that they messed over, that the Europeans and the Westerns messed over the Australians out there in Brazil. We already know what they did to our aboriginals, and we know them. But let's look up the word aboriginal. Look up the word aboriginal. Y'all probably, my bad, y'all looking like, oh, why you got Lucifer? All right, Lucifer is your morning star. We already know that, but let's go back. Let's stick on aboriginal. Aboriginal, look at that date. 1660, 166, 1660, first earliest existence from the beginning, especially in reference to the inhabitants of the land, colonized by the Europeans. Colonized by the Europeans. It say, look up Aborigine. We look up Aborigine, a person, animal, or plant that has been in a country or a region from the earliest time. 1858, mistakenly singular of Aborigines. 1540, Aborigines is considered the correct singular in English. Aborigines, the first inhabitants, especially from Latum, hence the first ancestors of the Romans, possibly a tribal name, are made to confirm to the Latin phrase ab origin, which means literally from the beginning. Ooh, we stop playing. Ooh, we baby. Oh, we are busting heads today. What did this say right here? See origin, extended 1789 to the natives of other countries which Europeans have colonized, especially Aboriginal inhabitant of Australia. Australia slang, Chardon Abo. Come on, man. These people playing with us, man. Peace, love, and prosperity, man. We out, man. That was just one we tapped on. But we could go to the origin. Ancestry race from Latin. Come on, man. Come on, beginning, source, descent, lineage, birth. Come on, man. Peace, love, and prosperity, y'all. Y'all do your own homework. This is what I do all day, man. I left all the foolishness alone, and I just try to get wiser and wiser and wiser every day so I can live in the realm of wisdom. You feel me? Peace, love, and prosperity, man. It's wild, man. We out here, bro. We pushing love, and we ain't getting no motherfucking peace. We ain't stopping this walk till we get some peace, man. For real, man. We got to start teaching our people right. All these fake leaders, all these want to act like they doing something, making billions of dollars and dishing out $1,000 to say, oh, they giving back to the community. You ain't giving back to shit, man. So let's stop with all this shit, man. It's September. It's time for this wall wave we got coming in, man. You heard me? We already know what's going on.